Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We have an unboxing and a giveaway for you today of something very, very cool. So FabFitFun got a hold of me last week saying thank you for the spoiler videos that I've been doing for them, and they wanted to send me out a little something extra. So of course, when they send me a couple of items, I've got to give away one of the items to one of you. So that's what we are doing, is I'm telling you everything that they sent me and giving away one of the items to one of you guys. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of February, it is the ColourPop Cabana Club palette. Looks like this. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box under current giveaways. It talks about how to enter this one as well as my many other giveaways, some of which are about ready to end this Friday. So if you haven't entered those, make sure to do so. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this Fab Fit Fun giveaway. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the ColourPop Lush Life palette. And I absolutely love working with this. So FabFitFun is a seasonal, it's a lifestyle, it's beauty, it's makeup, it's skincare, it's good for you type items. And it does come out every season. I think FabFitFun is the longest subscription box that I've had. I do have a code for them if you're interested in signing up for FabFitFun. I will leave that in the description box down below as well. It helps you out and saves you a little bit of money, and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. The code is just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. And I'm hoping to get my seasonal spring box hopefully within probably the next week or so. And of course, we'll be diving into that one and giving away one of those items to you as well. I did pick up a mystery bundle, so we'll be doing that one and another giveaway. I do giveaways all the time here on the channel, so make sure that you are subscribed. If you can, do me a favor, hit that bell button and mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. Like I said, I do them all the time here. And if you like this video, give it a big like. So let's dive in and see what FabFitFun sent me, and let's see what we're giving away to one of you. You guys, the first item in here is a $118 product. It is from Algenist. It is the Genius Ultimate Anti-Aging Vitamin C Plus Serum. So what Algenist says is it is a powerful serum formulated to minimize the appearance of deep wrinkles and to support the most fragile skin areas while visibly reducing the look of age, spots, and discoloration. I love using vitamin C in the morning. Do not use vitamin C at night if you are going to use retinol at night as well, because vitamin C and retinol don't play nice together. So that's why I do my vitamin C in the morning and my retinol at night. And then here's what it looks like. Looks like that on the hand. It doesn't have a scent. It's very, very kind of almost a watery base, but maybe like a gel that has a lot of water in it. I don't know how to explain it. It's not sticky or anything like that though. So I can't wait to put that into the rotation. I've got a vitamin C product that I'm using right now, and as soon as I use that one up, I've got another one, and then as soon as that one's up, this one's going in. So before I get into this next one, I got to tell you kind of a little tiny story. So 3 days ago, woke up, went to go take a shower, didn't have any hot water. If you know me, I've been having a rough couple weeks lately. And so I was just like, oh, are you kidding me? And went downstairs into the basement. There was water all over the carpet. The water heater, whatever happened to it, the bottom completely fell off out of it. And so basically I needed a new water heater. So we got one in today. Thankfully, I can take some baths, some hot baths. I did finally take a shower today because my hair absolutely needed it. So this is from the Bathologist. It is their Sleep Lavender Plush Fresh Mint. It does retail for $24.99. And it says, are you in dire need of a good rest, love? Yes, I am. Then it's time to tuck into Sleep Fizzy Bath Soak by Restful and Blissful Bath Blend. Powerful yet soothing essential oils and effectiveness salts come together to, sorry, I don't have my glasses on, come together to set the stage for a peaceful good night's rest. Effervescent fizzy and packs the benefits of Epsom salt, Dead Sea salt, and lavender, coconut, and peppermint oil. Sounds yummy. Look at the size of this box. This is 8 ounces. Most of these that you can find are all 4 ounces. So this does, I could only find the 4 ounces online, and that retails for $44. So if I double it, it's probably about an $88 product, assuming. And it is the Kate Summerville Exfoliate Cleanser Daily Foaming Wash. So Kate's Clinic Perfected Foaming Face Wash gently cleanses away oil, makeup, and surface impurities to reveal softer, smoother, glowing skin. So I mean, this is how big this tub is. This tub is gigantic. I can't do foaming cleansers because for those of us with dry skin, we don't want to do foaming cleansers because it does strip away the natural oils on the face. It's great if you have oily skin, but for those of us with the drier skin, we kind of need those natural oils still in there. So I'm going to give this one away either in today's video or a future one. From Life Therapy is the Grounded Moisturizing Hand Cream. It does retail for $24. It is enriched with shea butter and soothing natural oils. This non-greasy moisturizing hand cream will rejuvenate dry, dull hands, quickly absorbs into the skin, revealing velvety, soft, healthy, glowing hands. And then here's kind of what the product, I kind of love the wood here. But this one looks like. So thank you so much, FabFitFun, for sending this to me. I greatly appreciate it. It was awesome of you to do so. I absolutely love everything in here. I know some of it I can't quite use, but I'll make sure that it goes to a good home for the ones that I can't use. But I can't thank you enough. That's so cool. So since it was my spoiler videos that caught the eye of FabFitFun, let's use the word spoiler for today's giveaway. So let's give away the Life Therapy Grounded Moisturizing Hand Cream. I already have a bunch, and I'd rather pass this along to somebody who can get good use of it instead of it sitting on my counter waiting for me to go through all my others before I get to this one. So I'd rather go to an awesome one of you guys. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it that secret word. You can get bonus entries, and you get bonus entries by if you follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. If you follow me on Twitter, it's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. And if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. So there's 3 extra entries. So on that Google form, there is a spot to mark if you did do the bonus entries. If you mark that you did do them, make sure you do, because I do Check. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. I absolutely love it when I can make somebody happy. And you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. It is open internationally. I am though not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. And make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have this giveaway go through March 11th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on March 16th, I will put all the names from the Google Forms, first name, first initial of your last name. And if you have bonus entries, I'll put those in as well. And I put them into my computer. The computer spins it. We all see it on this video that I do on the 16th. That's where I announce all my videos, all my giveaway winners for the prior month. And so we all see it, the computer picks it, I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell your information or anything like that. So thank you, FabFitFun. This totally made my day and it's very, very sweet of you. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. If you have the time, I would greatly appreciate you checking them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and good luck in the giveaway. Bye.